World Tsunami Awareness Day commences on November 5th every year. The World Tsunami Day is marked by the United Nations. UN designated the day in 2015. The day will promote target of the Sunday 7 campaign that focuses in reducing disaster damage to critical infrastructure and disruption of basic services. The 2020 World Tsunami Awareness Day is structured as a 30-day campaign with key events focused on global target of the Sendai framework. Substantially increase the number of countries with national and local disaster risk reduction strategies by 2020. The observance of the day would help to spread awareness among people across the world in matters related to the dangers of tsunami and shall stress on the importance of early warning systems in order to mitigate damage from the often devastating natural hazards. Tsunamis are the waves caused by sudden movements of the ocean that occurs to the surface due to the earthquakes, landslides on the sea floor, and land shrimping into the ocean. Large volcanic eruptions or meteoroid impact in the ocean. Tsunamis occur most often in the Pacific and Indonesia because of the Pacific ring bordering the ocean has a large number of active submarine earthquake zones. The Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction 2015 to 2030 is an international document that was adopted by the United Nations member states between 14th and 18th March 2015 at the World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction held in Sendai in Japan, and endorsed by the UN General Assembly in June 2015. The purpose of the Sendai framework is it aims to achieve the substantial reduction of disaster risk and losses in lives, livelihood and health, and in the economic, physical, social, culture and environmental assets of persons, business, communities and countries over the next 15 years.